Welcome back to the library. In this video, we're reading from the book entitled Worldliness, Resisting the Seduction of a Fallen World by C.J. Mahaney. Reading from page 69. Music is God's idea, and apparently he enjoys it immensely. He told King David, a man after his own heart, to schedule musicians who would play and sing regularly before his presence at the tabernacle. The Psalms exhort us to sing a new song to the Lord and to make praise to Him, the sound of musical instruments. Jesus sang with His disciples, and we're told to speak to one another in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs. And music isn't just for this life. The book of Revelation tells us that music will continue into eternity, where we'll forever sing the praises of the Lamb who was slain. Music is everywhere. We hear it on the TV at home, on the radio in the car, when we're at the store, and when we're waiting in an elevator. For many people, music is an essential part of their life. And just like many other things on this earth, it can be used for good or for evil. It's important to understand that just as God has His own music, our enemy, the devil, also has a playlist of his own. Before I began my relationship with God, I listened to the playlist of Satan. His music was certainly more popular and available to me. I still have the lyrics to many of his songs memorized. Now, looking back on things, I realize the nature of those songs were harmful to me, others, and to God. Yet, it's not uncommon to see professing Christians embrace the music of the world, listening to songs that promote fornication, murder, lust, profanity, materialism, and many other sinful abominations. In my own life, I'm still able to recall from memory song lyrics from over 20 years ago. It makes me sad to know that I can easily recite the songs of the world, but I have a hard time memorizing a few Bible verses. And this is a tool that the enemy uses to keep our minds focused on the physical things of this world rather than the spiritual things of God. May I suggest we use the time it takes to listen to a few songs and memorize a few Bible verses instead. Moreover, throw away the hymnal of Satan and delete his playlist. Remember, our existence here on earth is brief and fleeting. We should have our hearts and minds focused on heavenly things, not on the temporary things of this earth. Ask yourself, are you in a loving relationship with God and His Word? Or have you fallen in love with the sinful world and what it has to offer? God reminds us not to love the world or anything in the world. If anyone loves the world, the love of the Father is not in him. For everything in the world, the cravings of sinful man, the lust of his eyes, and the boasting of what he has and does, comes not from the Father, but from the world. The world and its desires pass away, but the one who does the will of God lives forever. I hope you've enjoyed our time in the library today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos. We'll see you next time. God bless.